Hello and welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use QR code to share and distribute any information that you want. Now, this can be like a menu for a restaurant, or it can even be a program for an outdoor or even a wedding. Sometimes when it happens to such programs, you have to print a whole lot of document that you want to distribute. But with these techniques, you are going to use QR code together with the file that you have created and then link it with a QR code so that anyone can just scan and get access to it. So in order for you to accomplish this one, we have to go 3 procedures. First one is that we need to upload the file, this file that we are going to use. So if it's a wedding program, or it's an outdoor program, or it's a restaurant menu, then you need to have a place to host this file. And we can do that by using Google. So if you have Gmail, you can use the Google Drive. So I'll just go straight to my browser and then I'll just search for Google Drive. So just search for Google Drive. And when you search for Google Drive, if you have already signed in the browser, then it will lead you there. So here we'll just click on the Google Drive. And now, since I've already logged into my Google Drive is a cloud-based storage services from Google that can allows you to host files over there for free. So this is your Google Drive. So what we have to do here is we need to upload the file, whether it's a wedding program. So if it's a wedding program, then you need to get that program from your graphic designer. If it's an outdoor, you need to get that design from your graphic designer or whoever that designed that thing for you. And if it's a restaurant menu too, then you have to get the file that you want to use. So here I'll just click on the new here. Now when you click on the new, now you have to come to file upload. You can even upload a whole folder. Supposing maybe you want to use this to share your wedding photos or any event photos to people by using QR code. So let me just upload it by clicking on the file upload. Now I'll just go straight to where the file is. So it's on the desktop. So on the desktop, this is what we want to share through the QR code. So I will just select it and then open. Now the moment I click on it, it begins to load the file. So our file has successfully been uploaded. Now you can refresh your home and then see the file that you just upload. Yeah, so our file has been successfully uploaded. So you can even search it here. So food menu, that was the name. So that is the file. So when you click on it, so this file is currently residing on our Google Drive. All right, so now this is the file. Though we need to share this file publicly so that it can be accessed by anyone when they scan the QR code. So in order for you to enable it, you have to click on the share here. Now when you tap on the share here, so he says who can have access to this file. So here, if you want to choose it publicly, then you have to come to the general access. Then you come here and then you say anyone with the link. So when you choose anyone with the link, anybody with that link can be able to access this file. So we need to make it like this way so that when we copy the link and then use in our QR code to generate it, anyone with their phone, when they scan it, they can get access to it. So let me just click on copy. So we have copied the link. Now the next stage to go by it is to generate a QR code. So we have so many online services that you can use to generate QR code. So let's search for QR code monkey. It's a very common QR code generator that you can use. So QR code monkey. So now when you come to QR code monkey, just open the link here. So here we just need a link. So we're going to use the URL. So what I'm going to do is that the link that we copied, that is the link that we copied from here. Yes, we are going to paste it over here. So so please make sure that when you come here, you put it on URL. We have various QR codes that you can generate for any of these ones. So we want to use URL. So what I'll do is that I'll just paste my link. So by right clicking, I'll choose paste. So this is the link to the file that we uploaded on our Google Drive. Now, one thing is that after you are done with this, you can customize this QR code. If you want it to be like this, fine. You can just quickly download it and move on. But if you want to change colors and everything, you can come down to set colors and then set the color that you want to use. Or if you want to change the design of your QR code, maybe you want to use a different design for the body shape and also this one for the frame. So now let's click on generate QR code to see a preview of how it's going to be like. So basically that is how you can generate it, and this is to enable it for a high quality so that when we download it, we'll have our QR code very nicely. So you can go ahead and customize it the way you want it. So this is our QR code is ready. So it's going to use this particular link behind this code. Now QR means quick response. So this code is fetched behind this. So when we download this picture, so I'll just come here. So you can download it as PDF or JPEG. So let me just download it as PNG. That is an image. All right. So now QR code is successfully downloaded. So this is it. So I'll just go to the open directory, and so this is our QR code. So how do we print this one? So what I'll do is that we're just going to open a Microsoft Word. So if it's a restaurant that you are doing or you having, or if it's a wedding program, then probably you need to print this thing on a paper so that it can be, so that when people come, they can just scan it and then get access to the file. So here in Microsoft Word, let me just insert our picture. That is our QR code that we generated. So I'll go to the download, then this is the file. So I'll just insert it here. Now you can even reduce the size if it looks too big. So let me just quickly turn the text wrapping into in front so I can control it here. So this is our QR code. Yes. Now we can just put a heading at the top here. So scan for more information or scan to download menu, depending on what you are using the QR code for. So in our case, we are doing it for a restaurant menu. All right. So here I'm going to use scan to view our food menu. So I'll just center it very nicely. I can increase the font size and then maybe make it a little bit bold. Whatever information that you want to include on it, you can just do that, depending on what the QR code is going to be used for. So if it's a wedding, then you probably put in maybe scan to download or view the program outline, whatever title that you want to use. So I will just print this one. So you can print this one and I'll paste it anywhere on where the event is taking place. And automatically, as they scan it with their phone camera, it will be able to allow them to download. So let's try it here. I'm going to use my phone and then we'll scan it and see how it works. All right, so for you to scan this QR code, so let's assume maybe we have printed the QR code and pasted, and I'm just there, I want to scan it. So I'll just open your phone camera. So when you tap on it, straightforward, it is going straight to what? So it will ask you, because the file is uploaded on Google Drive, so it's asking you to choose an account that you want to use. So I'll just tap on it and automatically it will open the file. So you can see now the menu that we uploaded has come on my phone. So if I'm just at the restaurant, I'll be able to access all the menus going through and then choose whatever that I want. If it's a wedding program, I can be able to see the various outline of the program or any other document that you want to use to share. Yeah, so that is how you can use this strategy to share any content that you want to share through the QR code. So feel free, if you have any challenges, please kindly put it in the comment section and I will answer you. Don't forget to share this video to also help anyone that want to create and generate QR code to share and distribute information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You can watch the next video about how this QR code monkey works into details. See you.